Don't do this action in American culture. ئەم کردارە لە کولتوری ئەمریکیدا مەکە. If you do this action in American culture, you might make people angry. ئەگەر ئەم کردارە لە کولتوری ئەمریکادا ئەنجام بدەیت، لەوانەیە خەڵک توورە بکەیت. بۆچی؟ Why? Today, I'm going to explain to you this difference between American and Kurdish body language. با دەست پێ بکەین, let's get started. In Kurdish culture, this action is usually a polite way to tell someone to wait 1 minute, that you're not available now, but will be available soon to talk to them. ئەم کردارە لە کولتوری کوردیدا واتە یەک دقە ناتوانم قسە بکەم ئێستا بەڵام زوو ئەتوانم. Even if you are not looking at someone, you can still do this action and they will not feel disrespected. But body language is different from one culture to another culture. زمانی جەستەی یەک کولتور جیاوازە لە هی کولتورێکی تر. So if you do this action to an American, they will not understand, or they might feel disrespected, especially if you are not looking at them. This is because this action reminds Americans of another action in our culture called talk to the hand. In American culture, when someone doesn't want to listen to you and they don't respect you, they might turn their head away from you and put out their hand like this. The meaning of this action is, I'm not listening to you anymore, so if you have something to say to me, you can tell it to my hand. This is a rude action and is not respectful. ئەمە کردارێکی ناشرین و بێڕێزیە کەواتای کاتم نییە بۆ تۆ و ڕێزت لێ ناگرم. So, if you do this to an American, especially if you are not smiling and you are looking away from them, they may feel very disrespected and maybe angry. They will feel like you are saying, I don't have time for you and you are not important. So, what can you do instead to communicate the same meaning of this, but in American body language? Well, if you are in a situation where you can't talk, but you need to tell someone to wait 1 minute and then you will be available, you do have a good option. You should make eye contact with them, smile, and put up one finger like this. This finger means 1 minute, and your eye contact and your smile means I respect you and I have time for you. So, instead of this action with Americans, you should do this one. What kind of situation might you need to use this action? Well, a common one would be when you are using your mobile. You're using your mobile, but an American friend needs to talk to you, so you can do this in that situation. But do remember to smile so that they feel like you respect them and like they are not a problem. Katubarez, isn't body language so interesting? The same action that is respectful in one culture might be very disrespectful in another culture. If this is the first time that you've heard this information, then please like this video and be sure to check out my other videos that talk about American body language. ئەگەر ئەم زانیاریە تازە بوو بێت بۆ تۆ، تکایە لایک ئەم ڤیدیۆ بکە و سێری ڤیدیۆکانی ترم دەربارەی زمانی جەستە. Until tomorrow, هەتا سبەینێ، خواحافیز.